Hey guys, welcome back. Alright, so today I'm going to be showing you guys my February Ipsy bags. So I got 2 bags this month and they are both slightly different because I have one account that has my actual stats on it, and then the second one, the only thing that's the same is my skin tone and everything else is completely different. So with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and start with this bag. And so this is the unzipped card that came this month and the back of it. And then we have this is from Naked Cosmetics. Let me see. Let me set this bag down for a minute. And this is in Desert Sunset. Let me see if I can get this open. Sometimes they make these so difficult. Okay. Thankfully that wasn't too bad. And I believe this is a loose pigment. Oh yeah, very loose. So this is a loose pigment, as you can see. I'm gonna set this down. However, it is quite beautiful. Really pretty color. So that's it on my finger. I love colors like this. Okay, so next I got box is really smashed. From It Cosmetics, a Bye Bye Under Eye. I love this stuff. If you've never tried it, I really recommend it. Now, I'm not going to swatch this, but I will show you. Take that out. So it's just a little sample. But this stuff is awesome if you've never tried it. It is honestly one of my favorites. Okay, next I have a Mellow Precision eyeliner in black. Let me see if I can open this one. Oh my goodness. Sometimes they make these so hard. It's such a pain. Okay, I think I got this one though. Now, I know a lot of people complain about getting too many black eyeliners and things like that. Me, the more black I cannot talk. Eyeliners, the better. Okay. So there's that. Go ahead and swatch. It's very nice. All right, and then I got the Ofra Ipsy Unzipped. It's a lipstick. I believe everybody got this month. I'll go ahead and swatch this one. Because I do like the color. So that's not bad at all. And then the last thing for this particular bag is a Jersey Shore Cosmetics Apple Harvest Lip Balm. And it smells amazing. So there's that. I'm going to turn this down a little bit. Oops, too much. And apparently get it everywhere. So that's what this looks like. Pretty good stuff. Okay, so that's it for the first bag. Put those back. And now for the second bag. Okay, so this bag has Mark Anthony True Professional Strengthening Grow Long Leave-In Conditioner. I've used this before and I love it. And then there's another Bye Bye Under Eye with a Smashbox. So we've already seen that, so I'm going to go ahead and bypass that. Same with the Ofra, because we've already seen this as well. And the same Naked Cosmetics Desert Sunset. So those are all the same. However, I got a Luna highlighter. So looks really nice. So it's right here. Looks like a pretty nice highlighter. Worth trying out. Sorry for all the background noise. My kids are coughing up a storm for some reason. They got a cold from somewhere. But anyways, with that being said, that does it for my Ipsy bags for this month. So if you liked it, please give me a thumbs up. Hit the Pomeranian if you're not subscribed, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys, love you.